Where are you coming from?
My dad's house.
Where's that at?
Right down the road.
Okay. You got your driver's license on you? Where are you heading to? Your house, where at?
24 Square Trail.
Okay. Why so fast? Thank you, sir. Is the vehicle registered to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yep.
All right, Mr. Khan. So I'm going to have you do some field sobriety exercises just to make sure you're okay to drive, all right?
All right. Okay. Can I call somebody to pick the car?
We'll talk about all that. Like I said, I don't even know if you're going to jail. Do you want to do some field sobriety exercises and make sure you're okay to drive?
Sure.
Okay. Have you ever been arrested for DUI before?
Yep.
Okay. How many times? Once? Okay. Thank you.
It wasn't as easy as the first time.
What's that?
Nothing.
What do you mean?
Nothing.
Okay, we'll talk about that later. Alright, all you need to do right now is to look at this red light. You see it? And I want you to follow with your eyes and your eyes only, okay? What's wrong? Alright, one more time. Follow it all the way out. Keep your eyes on it, you're looking past it. So the next thing we're going to do is the walk and turn exercise. Alright, if you understand, you can begin.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Alright, when I tell you begin, what you're going to do is you're going to lift 1 foot off the ground, whichever you feel more comfortable with, 6 inches off the ground with your toes pointed out. So you're going to look down at your toes, you're going to count by 1,000s. It's going to look like this. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, so on and so forth until I tell you to stop.
Okay.
Alright, you understand the instructions?
There's no way I'm going to be able to do that.
Why is that?
Because I'm drunk.
Okay.
Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Make sure you're looking at your foot. You can lift your foot up and keep going. Get her arms on your side for me. Feet together. And then put your fingers out like this. Alright, bring them back down to your side. Alright, what you're going to do when I tell you to begin is you're going to tilt your head back and close your eyes, and I'm going to give you a series of commands. If I say left, you're going to bring your left finger up to the tip of your nose and bring it right back down. If I say right, you're going to bring your right finger up to the tip of your nose and bring it right back down. Alright, you understand the instructions?
Yes, sir.
Alright, go and tilt your head back, close your eyes for me.
Now noticing it's an anonymous caller.
Left. You're going to recite the alphabet from A to Z without singing it in a non-rhythmic manner. So just A, B, C, all the way to Z. Alright? Alright, go ahead and tilt your head back, close your eyes. If you understand, you can begin.
Okay.
Yeah.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Alright, you can relax. Go and walk towards my car for me. Okay. He was doing 88 and a 45. And he had an open beer in the vehicle, so